Alright, so today we are doing my bronzers. Holy cannoli. I don't have as many bronzers as I do like other things. However, this is still ridiculous. I would like to keep like 4. We're going to see how I do. Might be more than 4, and you know, some things I keep because I'm like, oh, I'm planning a review on this or whatever, but trying to be really good about just, no, Jessica, get rid of it. So, I can get rid of this pure one. I really liked it, but frankly, I don't even know that they sell this anymore, and it's pretty old. So that one can go. This Marc Jacobs one is really old. I've had forever. 12 months. That's funny. I've probably had it for 3 years. It can go. This Guize Face FX I really, really enjoy, so I'm going to keep this. This Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, I am very surprised to say that I love this. It's really quick to blend out, so I'm keeping that. That I thought I would totally hate, and I ended up loving it. These e.l.f. ones can go. This is where it gets a little trickier. This Smashbox Contour Kit, I never ever reach for, and I've kept because I know so many people love it. I don't reach for it. Someone else can love it. This Catrice Sun Lover, the more I've used, the less I've liked. I felt like it was a little splotchy because when I first showed it, I think it was like a first impression. I'd maybe tried it once. The more I've tried it, I don't really like it. It can go. Butter Bronzer, it's old and broken. It can go. This Too Faced one, I do like. The Physicians Formula, I do not. But the Too Faced one, I liked it, but frankly, I like these kinds of cream bronzers better. So I'm going to pass this on. This Chanel one I freaking love. So I'm going to keep it. What's the date? 18 months. We're probably getting close, but I'm going to keep it. Those are 3 favorites. The Sculpting Glow is really, really good too. Let me put this in a maybe. Do I really need this and the Chanel one? Probably not. So that's a maybe. This is getting pretty old, but I totally recommend it. The Bronze Booster Contour is really nice. This Model's Own one can go. It's a crazy color. It can just go. It's way wrong for my skin tone. I never reach for the Balm Desert. I never reach for any of these. These can all go. I don't reach for any of them. This NARS one is still newer to me, and I do like it, so I'm going to keep that one. This Tantalizer, I never use. The Ultimate, I don't use like any of these. It's crazy. This one I do use from time to time. I actually like this one. It's a little orange. See, but that, I don't know. I'm going to pass that on. The Bronze Goddess I recently got. I have the brush for, but I don't ever use, so the brush can go. I feel like I just haven't used enough to even know like how I feel about it. So I feel like I should keep it and like actually try it out, you know? This Tom Ford one's really new to me, so I'm still trying that out. All right, so the number 7, I don't need all 3. Let me narrow this down. Got Golden Sand, which that was my original one I loved. What's this one? Caramel and Maple. I'm going to keep Maple. I feel like that's a nice shade for me. They're all pretty close, and I'm just going to pass on the other 2. I'm going to pass on this whole Kevyn Aucoin book. Someone will love this, and I'm never reaching for it. The Pixie one I never reach for, but it is nice. The Profusion one I never reach for. Oops, I'm putting these in the wrong pile. These can go. All right, so what we're left with, these 2 are good, but I'm going to pass them on. I never reach for them. Hoola, it's not bad. That's a maybe. I just don't ever reach for it. The Chocolate Soleil, I do like that. Let me think about those 2. So I have 2 Hourglass ones. This one is Diffused Bronze Light. And this one is Luminous Bronze Light. Okay, it's a little more cool tone. And that's warm. So I think if I'm going to keep one, it's going to be this one, not the Luminous. So the Luminous can go. This one can stay. I'm just going to pass these 2 on. I don't need them. And again, I was keeping them because they're cult classics, but why? I don't even use them. And then I have the 2 Kevyn Aucoin ones. I've got the one in light, the sculpting powders that is, and the one in medium. Honestly, the light one is so slightly different that I feel like I'm just going to keep the medium and pass on the light because I don't feel like there's not enough of a difference, and I think the medium still looks nicer on my skin. So I'm going to keep the medium. And the Sculpting Glow I'm just going to pass on because I'm not going to get through both of these, honestly, and I'd rather finish one, you know what I mean? So I'll pass that one on too. Is everything I'm passing on here, oh my gosh, it's a ton compared to what I'm keeping, which is just those things. So that is a good feeling. Obviously my favorite drugstore bronzer is the No7 one. It is so good. And you know, some of it will go in the garbage. This really is pretty old and broken. So like that'll go in the trash, but a lot of it will get donated or passed on, and it's a good feeling. And I'm proud of myself because, again, I got rid of some high-end ones that I've been holding on to for so long. But, again, for no reason. I wasn't using them. So I'm excited to just have products I genuinely use.